The Spanish verb SER.
How do we use the verb ser? Ser means to be in Spanish. Ser is used to talk about what something is in its permanent state or to describe the essential characteristics of something or someone.
Using ser in the present tense. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es. Nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son.
We use ser to describe nationality, professions, relationships, characteristics, generalizations, possessions, what something is made of, time and date, or where or when an event takes place.
Nationality. Él es mexicano. Professions. Ella es maestra. Characteristics. Él es joven. Generalizations. Las fresas son deliciosas. Possessions. Es mi mochila. What something is made of. El suéter es de lana. Time and date. Son las 2:30. Where or when an event takes place. La boda es el sábado.